What's crackin', riders? I've been noticing lately when I go for a ride that day rides aren't feeling very if you know what I mean. The excitement and escape wasn't fully there these past few rides, and I was beginning to fear that I was falling out of love with riding, but I decided to try a tried and true method and waited until the sun began to set, and I picked a favorite route of mine that never seemed to let me down in enjoyment, and I rode into the sunset and into the night. This right here sent the spark of riding back into my soul, and it made me realize that I honestly like night riding more than I do daytime riding, and I wanted to make this video and share my thoughts and experiences with you guys and see if I'm the only one that's feeling this way or not. Now, we all know some riders don't get the choice of what time of day they can ride, but luckily for me, I get late afternoons into evening rides. Obviously, my work schedule dictates this, but I can't complain personally because I'm more than okay with it. By the time I'm getting out of work, so is everyone else, so I join the out of work traffic rush instead of getting right in the middle of it when I do go out for a ride. I work mornings and afternoons, so primetime daylight riding is just about gone by the time I'm available to saddle up the bike, but in exchange for this, I get less traffic, less noise, there's more time where it's just truly empty roads and it's just really me and my bike. I'm beginning to look into the psychology of this, and I read an article where people believe nighttime riding is more therapeutic than daytime riding for the same reasons that I mentioned, and honestly, I completely agree with this. We ride because it's an escape from all that's wrong in our lives, and we can just get away from everything for the length of the time of the ride, but all in all, there's just something about coming home after a hard day of work, doing what's needed around the house, making something to eat, and finally getting that unwind time just feels way more rewarding to me when I can put in my earbuds, throw my riding gear on, fire up the bike, and just go ride somewhere that I know well. And the blissfulness of the ride and stopping somewhere scenic where I can just know it'll just hit even at night, it just hits all the right vibes and feelings for me. It makes me say to myself, like, this is it right here. This is the life that I want. And I know a lot of people are saying night riding is more dangerous. It's proven to be more fatal than daytime riding. And yeah, that's absolutely true. It's less visibility. Everything is dark around you. There's animals running at you, deer, tired and distracted drivers. But you gotta remember, the risks are exactly the same with daytime riding. What's the difference between the two? Night riding is just darker. That's really about it. One thing I don't want to leave out is the rush and excitement that night riding brings. It's kind of like a roller coaster to me. The risks are a little bit higher, your senses are heightened, your head and eyes are looking around all for hazards and everything that happens at night. And honestly, for me, it makes it all the more fun in a risky kind of way. And frequent night riders will know exactly what I mean by this, but jumping back to more of the benefits I just feel so much better in the solitude of riding, being that, well, I'm 99% of the time riding alone, but it just ties it all together like how it's meant to be. I mean, me personally, I really like and enjoy that solitude that night riding brings, and the last thing I want to talk about is that I really feel like my skills get sharpened when I go on a night ride, and especially if I accidentally go on a route that I'm not familiar with. I mean, it doesn't happen too often, but all in all, it makes for great memories and much more so than a typical daytime ride. So if you're somebody that has never ridden at night before, I definitely recommend giving it a try with a route that you're familiar with. You can either go by yourself or go with a friend if you want to be extra cautious, but if you are somebody that does go on night rides like me, let me know down in the comments what you think about night riding as a whole, and do you feel the same way I do? Let me know your stories down in the comments. I thank you guys for watching this short little video. I've been pretty sick these past few days, that's why I decided to not go behind the camera and just stay behind the microphone this round. But as always, I thank you guys again for watching. Visit esotericmoto.com for parts for your Honda Shadow and other motorcycle related things, and if you like this type of stuff, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. As always, support your local veteran, be safe, and ride free. Peace out.